Welcome everyone to the Q2 webinar update of ETech Resources. In this update, we will be walking through the corporate presentation and bringing you up to date with what the company is currently up to. And at the end of this session, if you have any questions, please feel free to post it in the chat at the bottom of your webinar screen. I am going to be making some forward-looking statements, and I encourage you to read our disclaimer. If you want any further information on the company, please feel free to visit our website and read through our MD&As. So just a quick summary of the Q2 highlights. There are two exciting points on this page, which I'd like to draw your attention to. One is the company has commenced our wider spread exploration program, which includes the starting of a magnetic program, just over 1,000 line kilometers of magnetics. That program is near completion. Just shy of 3,000 line kilometers of a radiometric program and a full coverage geological mapping program. All of those are coming to near completion, and we started that at the beginning of this quarter. In April of this year, Namibia was again ranked in the top 5 in Africa, actually second in Africa, as the most favorable mining jurisdiction in Africa. And it further validates what ETech and the company is actively doing in a mining friendly and stable jurisdiction. So, we really like this page. Why are we really exploring for rare earths, or more specifically, neodymium? We all understand, everyone on this call and who's going to watch this video, we all understand the importance of these new age metals. Only yesterday, the US president announced the expansion of the US offshore capacity, and this demand continues to grow. And the industry, the globe actually as a whole, realizes that we need to find a lot more of this and a sustainable and reliable source. The market is there already, it continues to grow, but exploration for a sustainable and reliable source is nowhere where it needs to be to meet this demand. In order for us to go green, the world needs vast quantities of these critical metals, such as these rare earth elements. So just to provide a quick corporate snapshot, ETech, the company, has the right balance of experienced professionals that have done it before, and the right mix of technical people and capital market leaders. So that allows us to deliver not only a potential sustainable rare earth resource, but also deliver benefit to all our stakeholders. We're a dual listed company, listed on the TSXV and the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. We have a tight share structure with very little shares out. And currently the company has enough cash in the bank to continue to conduct quite an aggressive exploration program. And that's what we're doing. We're busy with an aggressive exploration program on our 100% owned Eureka rare earth project, which is located in Namibia, which we feel is one of the simplest rare earth projects globally. And simplicity is definitely our golden thread here. Our Eureka project is simple in 3 key areas. One is mineralogy. We've de-risked enough to understand that this project is viable, and now we're looking for more of the same. From an operational standpoint, we know that we can, when the economics are correct, produce a product that would be attractive to anyone. From a logistical management standpoint, we are operating in a country that is globally renowned for its mining. And our project is located 150 odd kilometers away from a deep sea port that would be capable to supply the whole east coast of the Americas. These 3 simple points make this an exciting project. not only have we de-risked a lot of the project from a metallurgy and metallurgical point of view, we continue to reproduce similar numbers below our current resource. This is extremely encouraging because it demonstrates that we do have depth extent on our current resource with appreciable grades close to 4.8% TREO. And we continue to specifically target a coarse-grained monazite carbonatite that allows for easy processability. And we continue to look for more of that. And the exploration potential is there. And we see that because we are continuing to grow our footprint. The resource remains open along strike, and it remains open at depth. And now that we are conducting a wider exploration program, we are excited or hopefully looking to identify areas of interest similar to what we've discovered to date. To put that into context, we've only explored 2.2% of our available area. Now, we don't expect the entire exclusive prospecting license, our mineral license, to be mineralized, but we are optimistic that there's a lot more out there. There's a lot of smoke, and that smoke we haven't explored yet. And that's what the company is busy doing. The company has started its widespread magnetic program. It's a large radiometric survey. And once these programs are finished, which should be soon, those results will direct the next exploration program. And that exploration program will start coming together towards the end of this year, moving into next year. This milestone planning page for me is a nice one, as it outlines where the company has come from and where the company is heading. You know, since the company successfully listed last year, we've conducted over 9,000 meters of drilling, with a large proportion of those results still outstanding, and we look forward to getting those. We are currently in the Q3, Q4 box. We're busy conducting that radiometric and geophysical survey, and this is going to define new areas and drill targets for us. All of these results allowing for further interpretation and eventually an upgrade in our resource. The company is committed to working at the highest ESG standards, and we've implemented an ESG board to guide the company in these endeavors. And these are our company builds itself and prides itself on having its ESG protocol as the main standard on how we proceed, because we are all looking to create a sustainable project. The factors that influence the sustainability of a project and project value are listed here, and the Eureka project ticks all these boxes. We are favorably located in a stable jurisdiction that has fantastic infrastructure. We know we've de-risked our project enough to understand that the resource characteristics are favorable to produce a product that is accessible and of interest to a lot of parties. We have excellent technical processing conditions. We don't need complex flow charts. We have a sustainable project that is actively managed, and we're going into a highly competitive market. And this market continues to grow, and the need for this new age metal will continually be there. And we have a project that we're excited about. Again, ETEC Resources has a simple NdPr project based in Namibia, one of Africa's most stable jurisdiction. And thank you very much for your time. Please follow us on all our social media channels to keep up to date with what the company is doing, and subscribe to our newsletter, where we keep you regularly up to date with new ideas and things that are coming from the company. Look forward to answering a few of your questions. So yes, the company has recently gone a management change that happened halfway through the second quarter of this year. But a company, it all happened on good terms, and we thank the previous CEO. He put the company on a good stead and in the right direction. But the company is made up of multiple leaders. And with this project and the leadership, the core leadership that is still involved, we're still on the right track to deliver for all our shareholders. Good. I don't know if there are any other questions. Please feel free to send them along to our contact@etechresources.com. If you would like to organize a phone call with myself or any of the other directors of the company, we would be happy to do so. And please follow the company on all its social media and subscribe to our email list. Thank you, and we look forward to keeping in touch with you.